Solving the 2 by 2 cube using the Ortega method is pretty simple and really interesting. The solving mainly comprises of 3 steps. Firstly, solving any two colors that are oppositely faced. I preferably choose to solve the white initially and then go ahead with the yellow. Now, to solve the rest of the cube, we have 5 different cases, and depending on the case, we use algorithms. I first solve the white randomly. After solving the white, we go ahead solving the yellow. Here, in this case, we have one color on the top layer and one color on the bottom layer solved properly, while the rest of the cube except the yellow and white isn't solved properly. Keeping that face as our front layer, we use the algorithm. I call this the case of opposites, and the cube explains why. So holding any face as the front layer, we go on with the algorithm. Any one of the layers have two different pieces having the same color together, and the rest of the cube doesn't have anything as such. It should be horizontal. On the other layer, now, we have to search for a piece that's of the same color, which is onto the right hand side of the front face. The piece on the left hand side should be the piece that is of the opposite color. This is one of the cases that you come across even in the beginner's method, where you have two corners that have to be interchanged. A case similar to the previous one, but in this we have to interchange two corners that are oppositely placed. I hope you'll now agree to what I mentioned in the beginning of my video, that solving the 2 by 2 using the Ortega method is pretty simple. Hope this video was pretty informative regarding the 2 by 2 Ortega method. For more, do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet subscribed to it, and keep cubing, guys.